down the colorful school path, backpacks feeling tight. Bunny checks the ticking clock. Hurry up, we're late. Mini elephant splish splashes, books stacked way too high. Fox looks left and right and sighs. Oh my, oh my. They laugh and run toward the lab with a plan so clever, but oops, the books go wobble wobble all together. Laugh and fix, try again. Best ideas come from friends. Push the button, pull the lever. Oops, that didn't work. Whatever.
This is the base of the soundblocker machine, and this is how we'll start.
In the laugh and fix lab, they hurry inside. Pipes go clink and buttons blink, excitement rising high. They build a book lifter tall and round. Mini elephant cheers, this will lift them off the ground. They flip the switch with happy grins. Boing, the books pop up and rain right down again. Laugh and fix, try again. Best ideas come from friends. Push the button, pull the lever. Oops, that didn't work. Whatever. Pages flutter, notebooks spin. Bunny giggles. Well, that's interesting. Fox gathers books in a silly pile. Mini elephant laughs that flew a mile. They tweak the knobs and count to 3. Whoosh! The books zoom back at Bunny's knees. Laugh and fix, try again. Best ideas come from friends. Push the button, pull the lever. Oops, that didn't work. Whatever. They slow it down and check once more. Fox reads notes stuck to the floor. Bunny says, okay, nice and light. Mini elephant nods, this time's right. They pull the switch, clackety-clack. The books lift up, then plop, fall back. Laugh and fix, try again.
We did it!
Best ideas come from friends. Push the button, pull the lever. Oops, that didn't work. Whatever. One last fix, a careful turn. Teamwork helps us always learn. The book lifter hums just right. Book stack neat, what a sight. They cheer and race back down the way, then slip together, laughing all the way. Laugh and fix, try again. Best ideas come from friends. Push the button, pull the lever. Laughing makes it fun. Whatever.